Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve this quadratic equation x squared plus 7x plus 10 is equals to 0 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So there are multiple methods to solve this quadratic equation. So I am going to opt for factorization method. So in factorization method, we have to break this middle term 7x in two numbers. When we add those numbers, we get 7. And when we multiply those numbers, we get the last digit, that is 10. So what two numbers? They can be 5 and 2 because when we add 5 and 2, we get 7. And when we multiply, we get 10. So we can write this 7x as 5x plus 2x plus 10 is equals to 0. Now from first two term, if I'll take x as common, then what is left? X plus 5. And from next two term, if I'll take 2 as common, x plus 5 is equals to 0. Now the bracket x plus 5 is common. So what is left? X plus 2. So these are the two factors. And to find out the solution or the value of x, you have to put the factors equals to 0. So x plus 5 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 5. And x plus 2 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you face any difficulty related to any math question, you can comment down. Thank you so much for watching this video.